Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix slow performing browser like Google Chrome and Firefox. So let's speed it up. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to type settings at the bottom search bar and then click on open to proceed. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings, go for the left side which contains the list of options. Here you need to go for network and internet next to Bluetooth and devices. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will find any options here. You will able to see any options here. Now, in this manner, we need to go for Ethernet. Just simply click this forward arrow to continue, and you are being redirected here at the Internet section. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Aligning this in a server assignment is this edit button. Just simply click on that. And the moment you click that, you'll be able to open the edit DNS settings. Now, if your case it is an automatic, just simply click this down arrow and go for manual, and you'll be able to see these two options, which is IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, so just turn on this IPv4, and here under the preferred DNS, you need to input the secondary Google DNS because according to any researches, the secondary DNS is faster than the primary one. Okay, so let's input that, which is 8.8.4.4, and set our alternate DNS into the primary Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and then click save to apply. Okay, so once done, just have to restart your computer, and once you open your computer, you can just access any browser and check if there are any changes. So I'm sure your browser is better than before. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.